Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, yoga poses that can help you grow taller. Now, before we jump in, let's remember that yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about feeling good in your body and connecting with your inner self. So, whether you're hoping to gain a few inches or simply want to improve your posture and flexibility, these poses are for you. Stick around till the end for a special bonus tip. Let's begin our journey to new heights with Tadasana, or mountain pose. This foundational pose might seem simple, but trust me, it's a powerhouse. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, grounding down through all four corners of your feet. Feel the energy rising up through your legs, lengthening your spine. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head towards the sky. Relax your shoulders, letting them melt away from your ears. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your roots sinking deeper into the earth. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the strength and stability of the mountain within you. Now, let's awaken our spines with Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. This pose is all about opening up the chest and stretching the front of the body. Lie on your belly with your hands underneath your shoulders, fingers spread wide. Press through your palms and gently lift your chest off the ground, keeping your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Feel a gentle stretch in your chest and the front of your spine. Gaze slightly upwards, keeping your neck long and relaxed. Breathe deeply into the pose, feeling the expansion in your chest with each inhale. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then gently lower back down to the ground. Remember, this pose is about finding a comfortable stretch, not about how high you can lift. Let's find our balance and stretch our spines with Vrikshasana, the tree pose. This pose not only improves posture, but also cultivates focus and concentration. Begin by standing tall in Tadasana. Shift your weight onto your right foot and bring the sole of your left foot to your inner right thigh. Find your balance, and if you feel steady, bring your hands to your heart center. If you'd like a deeper stretch, raise your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky like the branches of a tree. Keep your gaze soft and focused on a point in front of you to help with balance. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then gently release and repeat on the other side. Remember, finding your balance is a journey, so be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. Now, let's dive into a delicious stretch with Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend. This pose stretches the entire back of the body, from the heels to the neck. Begin by sitting on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale deeply, lengthening your spine, and as you exhale, gently fold forward from your hips. Relax your head and neck, allowing gravity to draw you deeper into the pose. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs and spine. Remember, this is not about touching your toes, but about finding length in the spine. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, breathing deeply into any areas of tightness. With each exhale, surrender a little more into the pose. Let's finish our practice with Trikonasana, the triangle pose. This pose stretches the sides of the body, creating space and length in the spine. Begin standing with your feet about 3 feet apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, bend over your right leg, reaching your right hand towards your shin or ankle. Extend your left arm towards the ceiling, creating a long line from your fingertips to your toes. Gaze up towards your left hand, feeling a gentle twist in your spine. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then slowly return to standing and repeat on the other side. And there you have it, folks! 5 amazing yoga poses to help you grow taller. Remember, it's not just about physical height, but about feeling confident, aligned, and empowered in your body. Remember, consistency is key, so make these poses a part of your daily routine. Even a few minutes of practice each day can make a world of difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video, and keep reaching for the stars.